All right, that is half a bottle of Sauvignon Blanc into my pie crust. Now I'm coming in with some pure cane sugar, and we're gonna add about 1 cup of sugar to this. All right, now I've just got half a cup of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna sprinkle this in. I might not use, no, that was a whole half a cup. And now I have some lemon extract, and I'm just gonna add that in. It's gonna be a really nice complement for that Sauvignon Blanc. Now I'm just gonna start mixing this together. Now, traditionally with a wine pie, you don't have to mix it, but I am gonna mix it for this one because I want it to come together a little bit quicker. And you can use whatever kind of wine you like. I'm choosing a white wine for this summer wine pie recipe, but any type will work. If you wanna use red, it just makes it a little bit more juicy and robust in flavor. Okay, this is coming together perfectly. That looks great. Now to complement the flavor of that Sauvignon Blanc and our lemon extract, I've got some lemon jello here. And I am just gonna drizzle this right on top to create a kind of sugary, delicious lemon crust. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna pop this into my oven at 350 for half an hour. Alrighty, y'all. Look at this. We baked our wine pie for about 40 minutes in the oven. Then I just turned the oven off. Actually, I'm gonna just move this little sheet pan so you can see how beautiful this looks. Look at our beautiful creme brulee crust on there, just like that delicious cooked sugar. Now I'm gonna add some of my Reddi-wip extra creamy. Whoop. Oh boy, it is extra creamy today. I don't know about y'all, but whenever I Reddi-wip in my house, this is what happens. Anyway, now I'm just gonna do a little bit of lemon zest right on top to complement those lemon flavors. Yum! Ooh, smells so good. Don't worry, boys, you can have your wine pie slice. Just wait a few minutes. I'm gonna cut in here that delicious lemony Sauvignon Blanc wine that goes perfectly with our citrus. Oh, look at that. Look at that creaminess, that custardiness. Ooh, this is gonna be so, so good. Make sure I'm getting all the way down to the crust there. Ooh, look at that. Yum! And that wine smell is really coming out now. I can really smell that wine and the citrus. Oh my God, this just looks amazing. All right, here we go. I'm gonna give this a try. Y'all, now I did use an alcohol removed wine because I no longer drink alcohol, but you can totally make this with a full alcohol wine. Oh, wow. So good. Y'all, you gotta try it.